We're coming to get you, Navy SEAL. Pick me up, pick me up.
Where are you? Get in this.
Ow.
Stupid. Get in. Come on. You're going to die. Or I'm going to die.
You're a monkey and a pig.
Yeah. We got flag. I already got 2 stars on.
I know, just trying to get as much as we can. This is our thing. We think that police cars are the best vehicle in the game. Don't we, Navy SEAL?
Yes, we do. Crap.
Then tank. And then fighter jet. And then plane. Or whatever. But what number is that? 64. Okay, let's find number 25.
Why number 25?
What number was it that we kept messing with?
It was 29.
Oh, find that. Find that number.
It was poop.
It was
Alright,
funny.
here we go. Ready? This is why we love the fire truck.
Spray them down.
Oh my gosh.
Number 50.
50?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna find 29. 29's gonna come.
84. 50.
84.
There's 50. Which one's that? 84.
Another 84?
Yeah.
What's my stuff on? Stop changing radio stations. I like this song.
Oh, we got heli.
What? Would you shut up, John?
Why?
Don, this
What?
thing is like making it echo. It's so annoying. Put your mic in.
I got him. I shut down the heli.
Put your mic in. It's annoying.
Ah, there's the heli. Yeah, dude. To get 4 stars, you have to shoot down a heli. And then I don't know what you have to do to get 5. It's pretty hard. You have to take down like 30 cops. And like 4 helicopters. I died! Alright. Okay. What the heck? Get in, get in, get in. Yeah, bunny! Yeah, dude, get him in our... party.
This is Mojo Play, a house party in 2000 for fans. Enjoy.
Come on, Maybach. Holy crap! Yo, dude, join my game. Oh, yeah!